A family of 8 was trying to live in a house that simply wasn't built for 8 people. 5 sisters were sharing cramped bedrooms, and they had nowhere they could truly call their own. So we decided to help. First, we transformed an old bedroom into a 2-story bunk room for the girls. We cleared everything out and started from scratch. The floor was rebuilt, the room was refreshed, and a custom loft bed was built to maximize every inch of space. When the girls saw the finished room for the first time, they immediately started arguing over who would get to sleep upstairs. But one room still wasn't enough for 5 sisters, so we moved on to the bedroom next door. The goal was simple: create another space where the girls could sleep, study, and just be kids. Little by little, the empty room began to come to life. A new bed, storage, a study area, and plenty of room for the sisters to share. But this renovation wasn't only about bedrooms. For years, the family had been using a very basic outdoor bathing area, so we built a proper bathroom with a real shower, giving the family something many people take for granted every day. After nearly 3 weeks of work, everything was finally finished. 2 brand new bedrooms, a proper bathroom, and enough space for everyone to live comfortably again. Because this project was never just about building rooms. It was about giving 5 sisters a safe, comfortable place to grow up. 20 days earlier, this house felt crowded and uncertain. Now it feels like a home again, and seeing the smiles on their faces made every hour of work worth it.